Good morning, respected principal, vice principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today's assembly is being presented to you by the students of class 12A. Online class etiquette, netiquette. Online learning is not the next big thing, it is a now big thing. Donna J. Abernathy. Online class etiquette means the correct or acceptable way of communicating or behaving in the virtual class.
The ABCs of online school etiquette. Number 1. Always enter with your real name. Short names, pet names, nicknames, or fancy names are not allowed. Number 2. Sign in on time. Be ready at least 5 minutes before the class begins and check if your gadget is fully charged and internet connection and other settings are stable. Number 3. Find a quiet and comfortable place to attend classes away from any external disturbances. Number 4. Wear formal clothes. Dressing properly not only makes your teacher and friends feel appreciated, but also make you feel energized and confident. Number 5. Ensure your textbook, notebook, pen, pencil, etc. are ready with you. Number 6. Refrain from eating. Eat food and use the restroom before the class begins. Keep a bottle of water near you. Number 7. Mute the microphone and the camera. Turn off your microphone unless you are called upon. Activate your camera when you are asked to do so. Number 8. Be attentive and participate actively. Look at the screen and pay attention to your teacher while he or she is teaching. If you have questions, use the raise your hand button or type your questions in the chat.
Make the best use of what is in your power and take the rest as it happens. Stay positive. Better days are on their way.